The Defence Research and Development Organization has developed a new space heating device for the Indian Army deployed in Siachen and other high altitude areas. The DRDO designed a heating device and is called Himtapak, and it helps to keep military tents and surrounding places warm in freezing cold. Dr. Rajiv Varshni, Director of Defence Institute of Psychology and Allied Sciences, said the newly designed heaters are very powerful and efficient.
We have designed one improved space heating device that is called Bukhari. So this is a Bukhari which we have designed. We have a few patents granted on this. The oil consumption is almost half. It's a K oil based Bukhari. So oil consumption is almost half. So we are able to save 3,650 crore in a year.
The new heaters do not have backblast and carbon monoxide poisoning problems.
At the high altitude, we are getting a very high speed of wind. With that wind speed, there is a backblast. So with this design, there is no backblast. Even if there is some air is coming to this, we have a three horizontal. It's a double layer. We have a three horizontal plates which can cut the air. So there will be no blast.
The DRDO has already given design to 9 manufacturers for the mass production of the heaters.
And there is you can say common credit is there, and it's an excellent Bukhari. We have transferred this Bukhari to 9 industry for production, and we recently got a order of 420 crore from the army. So it has been inducted as one of the inventory item of army now.
The DRDO has also designed a water bottle with an inbuilt removable water purifier, and bottle can withstand temperature from -50 degrees to 100 degrees Celsius.
This is a flexible water bottle which we have designed for operations. We have an integrated detachable water filter into this, and it's a flexible bottle. It can withstand temperature from -50 to 100 degree temperature, and you can use any water. You can filter it through this, and you can drink water like this. And suppose if you do not want to filter the water, you can remove this filter and simply can use this as a water bottle. And this is a BPA free, and there is no it's a medical grade material.
Dr. Rajiv Varshni also explained about a local cream which prevents frostbite, chilblains and other cold injuries to soldiers deployed in the extremely cold areas.
This we have developed to take care of the frostbite which our soldiers are getting at the Siachen area, the cold area. So basically it's a cold cream. This we have transferred to 3 industries. It's a aloe vera based cream, and when we apply this, there is no we have not observed almost negligible frostbite we have observed.
Every year, the Indian Army orders 3 to 3.5 lakh jars of the cream for troops in eastern Ladakh, Siachen and other areas. The Siachen base camp of the 102 Infantry Brigade of the 14 Corps of the Indian Army is located at 12,000 feet above the sea level in Leh. The Siachen base camp is not only the highest post in the region but also the highest vehicle accessible pass in the world. The temperature can go down as much as to -60 degrees Celsius during winters with icy 300 kmph blizzards, and the average temperature remains between -25 degrees Celsius during day and -55 degrees Celsius during the night.